All right, so it's back to school and you're broke, you don't have money, but you have enough to buy yourself maybe the cheapest laptop you can find. Well, I'm going to show you this. This is a Latitude 5480. The vendor said it worked, but it comes with an actual drive itself, or this is a mechanical drive and only 8 gigs of memory. So we're going to try to bump this up and we're gonna add this hard drive in there. This solid state drive, it's an SSD solid state drive. We're gonna swap it out, make it faster than before. This is very slow, really slow. It overheats a lot of the stuff. So it's because it's mechanical, it's old, it's outdated. So we're gonna add this solid state drive here. If you guys can see, we're gonna make it a lot better and faster. We're also gonna test it out, this solid state drive in here, and it's a SATA drive connection, so it's gonna connect exactly the same way. And you do need to take out the actual existing area, the metal pieces on the other one, in order to transfer it. All right, as you can see, we set it up in here, and this is a lot lighter than the other one. All right, so you're gonna have faster speeds, easy to connect and easy to set up. It works the same way like the other one. All right, so let's go ahead and connect it. SATA drive connected in here. Just drop it in there, pop it in place. Let's go ahead and screw these in and we'll come back. All right, just to confirm, to let you guys see, X12 SSD 480 drive is installed. We have Windows 11 on it. I'm installing the last of the drivers. We're going to run our test in a bit right now and see how fast this drive is compared to, of course, we're not going to compare with the old one. The old one's a lot slower. It wasn't working very properly. So this is a big step up, but we're going to see the speeds, the writing speeds, and the upload, the download, and everything on the drive. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, we're going to go ahead and run the Crystal Disk 9 report. All right, so we're going to run this to see the actual speeds on the actual read and write. So we're going to run a test. All right, we got the final results in here, if you guys can see that. So we got 534.91 actually in reading. In writing, we have 465. I'm going to compare it with the HDD. All right, so you guys can see the comparison side. I'm going to put it right here in this panel and see how it looks. So this is pretty well. I mean, it's a great upgrade from what it was before. So if you're looking for a great drive, and they do make different sizes on the drives itself. So if you're looking for a great drive, hopefully this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.